Welcome back, curious minds. Most AI agents do the same thing every time you use them. You start fresh, re-explain the context, repeat the setup. It's not terrible, but it's not smart either. Hermes Agent from News Research is built on a different premise. What if the agent actually remembered what it learned and got better over time? That's the core idea behind Hermes. And it's now available as an MIT licensed desktop application you can run today. Let me walk you through what it does and why it matters. The standout feature is self-evolution. Hermes can create and improve its own skills while running closed learning loops that let it adapt to your specific environment and workflows without requiring you to retrain it from scratch. Here's what that looks like in practice. Say you use Hermes to manage your development environment. Over a few sessions, it learns your preferred directory structure, your naming conventions, the tools you rely on. Next time you start a session, it already knows. It picks up where it left off rather than starting from zero. This is backed by persistent long-term memory, not just context within a session, but across sessions. You can leave it running, come back days later, and it will have retained what it learned. The other key capability is multi-agent orchestration. Hermes can coordinate multiple agent instances working on parallel tasks. If you have a complex project that would benefit from simultaneous workers, Hermes can spin them up and manage them. Hermes Agent launched its desktop application on April 7, 2026. The desktop app gives you a visual interface for configuring and monitoring your agents, settings, skill management, memory inspection, and orchestration controls all in one place. For those who prefer the terminal, it's also available as a CLI tool. The desktop app is optional but useful if you want visibility into what your agent is doing. The MIT license means the code is open and anyone can audit it, modify it, or fork it. That's a significant point in its favor for security-conscious teams. The natural comparison is OpenClaw, another self-evolving agent framework that's been getting attention. The two share some DNA. Both aim for persistent memory. Both are positioned as the next step beyond stateless AI assistants. Where Hermes differentiates is the focus on closed learning loops. The self-improvement cycle, OpenClaw is more of a framework for building and orchestrating agents. Hermes is more of a finished product that starts learning from day one. The community is still comparing the two, and honestly, the right choice depends on your use case. If you want something you can install and start using immediately with minimal configuration, Hermes is strong. If you want more customization and don't mind building out the workflows, OpenClaw might be a better fit. We'll be covering OpenClaw 5.9 in detail in the next video, so stay tuned for that comparison. Hermes Agent represents a real shift in what we can expect from AI agents. Most agents are tools. Hermes is closer to a digital colleague that gets better at working with you over time. The persistent memory and self-improving skills aren't gimmicks. They're genuinely useful if you have recurring workflows that could benefit from institutional knowledge. It's MIT licensed, it's running today, and it's being actively developed. If you've been curious about self-improving agents, this is a good one to try. Give the video a like and subscribe if you found this useful. I'll see you